Hello guys, welcome to Spyro Tech 365. Today I am going to show you how to put two videos side by side. So let's start. First of all, we'll create a sequence and then we'll insert the two videos in two layers. After that, we'll apply the crop effect on the video layer 2 and then we'll crop 35% from the left and 15% from the right. And then we'll change the position of the video to the left side. Make sure that the video will be positioned at the middle of frame. And then we'll adjust the other video, that means video track 1 to the right side. To create a bar, we can use pen tool which will divide the two videos. We can use margins and rulers to know exactly middle of the monitor. After that, we'll animate video track 2, so therefore we need to insert keyframe for this layer. We'll insert keyframe for left and right option. And then we'll animate the shape. we'll adjust the two videos. There you can see we have put two videos side by side and animate this also. So that's it for today. If you think the content is useful for you, please like, comment and share this one. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you.